In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and cut videos with YouTube Studio Editor. First, make sure you're signed into your YouTube account and that YouTube Studio is already open in your browser. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your uploaded videos are listed. From this list, choose the video you want to edit. Click on the video's title or thumbnail, and YouTube will open the details page for that specific video. On this page, you'll see another menu on the left side. Find and click on Editor. If it's your first time using the YouTube Studio Editor, you may see a Get Started button. Click that to enter the editing workspace. Inside the video editor, look for the section labeled Trim and Cut. To begin trimming, click the plus icon located to the right of that label. This will activate the trim mode, and you'll notice blue bars appearing at the beginning and end of your video timeline. To trim, move your mouse over the left or right blue edge until the cursor changes, then click and drag inward. As you drag, you're deciding which part of the video you want to keep. The highlighted blue area represents the portion that will remain in your final video. Take your time to play the video and adjust the edges until you're happy with the start and end points. When you're satisfied with the trim, move to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Keep in mind that saving will apply the changes to the live video, so double check before you confirm. Now, let's look at cutting out a specific section from the middle of your video. In the same Trim and Cut area, click on plus New Cut. This time, a red box will appear on the timeline. This red area represents the part of the video that will be removed. Click and drag the sides of the red box to cover the exact portion you want to cut out, such as a mistake, a pause, or any unwanted segment. You'll see the start and end timestamps of your cut in the cut list above the timeline, which can help you be precise. Once you have selected the right section, click the check mark at the top of the red box to confirm the cut. Again, when you're done making all your cuts, go to the top right and click Save to apply the edits. And that's it. You've successfully trimmed and cut your video using YouTube Studio Editor.